What's up guys, Supergeek here. Today I have something really unique to unbox. It's this 7-Eleven diorama for your 164 cars, Hot Wheels, Mini GT, anything that you have. You can display it right here and it looks fantastic. I don't have those mini figurines, but I do have many Hot Wheels, so let's unbox this. I recently got into Hot Wheels collection and I never had these dioramas before, these type of dioramas, and this is my first, so I'm very excited for this, how it's going to turn out. So these are some double-sided tape. Oh, we have some cord, so this is to power the lights. Inside that it's USB powered, and here is the barrel plug. And man, all right, so this is how it looks. Let's get it out of the bag, and man, it looks really good. You get some windows right here. Here's your door, and yeah, it's open from here. There are the LED lights, and that's it. There's your power plug, and this is the exterior part, basically the road where you put your cars, and I think that's it. For you can just do this and you're good to go. I'm kind of disappointed that there's nothing here to like kind of fix it, like clips or something to fix it there. You just have to use these double-sided tabs. So yeah, I think that's one way to do that. So there you go, that's it. Oh yeah, I forgot, I also bought this Majorette Porsche 911 Carrera, so I'm going to unbox this as well. Just stay tuned. What's next? Okay, I'm going to check the lights and let's see how it looks with the lights on. Okay, so it's USB powered. Well, I don't have a power bank or anything right now. Let's connect it to my Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, I just want power from you, man. And okay, it kind of looks good. Let me dim the light a bit. Man, it actually looks good. It actually looks good. The lights are actually on the windows. Should have been a bit more concealed, but yeah, still looks really good. Let's turn on the lights. Don't click away from the video yet, because first I'm going to unbox this, then I'm going to show you how it looks with the lights off. So this is the 911 Carrera. Okay, so this is the box. So this is how it looks, and you can open it like this, and yes, it looks really good. Okay, so let's remove these and put this. So now it's time to turn the lights off.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.